Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dom and today is the first day of Spooktober, so this is the first look that I am creating. So I'm going to start with this black eyeshadow. You don't have to use the same exact products that I use, you just use whatever you have on hand. And I am just going to be packing this onto my lid up to the crease, not necessarily in the crease I guess, but up to the crease. And I'm just going to be kind of like buffing this out. This particular shadow is nice because it's already a little bit more of a softer black, so I feel like I didn't have to work quite as hard to blend it out. So yeah, so that is just what I'm doing right now. I'm just working with a kind of fluffier brush to do so. And so I'm just continuing to blend that out, and I'm just going back and forth between both eyes to blend everything out and make it symmetrical. I ordered the Spooked palette from Gourmand Girls, so as soon as that comes in, I am going to have a few more looks up. I don't know how many I'm going to do this month, but I do want to do a couple different ones, so I can't wait to try out that palette, and I'll have like a whole review and first impressions on that as well, and a multiple looks video. So then out of the Be Perfect palette, I'm going to be using this orangey shade. So I used this one first, but when I started to blend this one into the black, it turned out more reddish toned, and I wanted this look to be a true black and orange look. So you'll see here in a few seconds that I go back in and I choose a different orange to do this step. And there's my sister and Jer Bear coming to hang out with me. And so I'm just continuing to blend this out. Touching everything up again. And I'm just using kind of like this little fluffy Morphe brush to do so. All right. Now I'm going to go back into that black, and I'm just going to blend that up a little bit higher. I didn't really have an idea for this look. I just kind of knew that I wanted black and orange, and that was going to be my bases. And then as I continued to do my makeup, I started to come up with more ideas. So yeah. All right. So now I'm going to take a white eyeliner and I am going to outline the eyes. I'm going to outline the black shade. This was the most tedious part, I think, besides blending, was just trying to get the shape right. And as you can see here, I'm just gonna go back and forth until I get that right. Alright, now I'm going to take my Jaclyn Cosmetics blush and bronzer duo, and I'm just going to warm up my face. And as you can see, I just went back in with like a small brush, and I went and kind of tried to clean up my liner a little bit. It's not perfect still, but it's as good as it's gonna get. Then for actual blush, I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Cosmetics blush palette. I'm gonna use that orange shade, and I'm gonna put this all over my cheeks and across my nose. And I'm really piling on the blush because I want it to be a very dramatic, bold look. And I think a really blushed cheek is just going to help me achieve that look. And I actually don't mind it on myself. Alright, Alright, so now I'm gonna use a white eyeliner, and I'm just gonna make little freckle dots all over my face. I feel like this really helped to tie my look together. I feel like it just made it more fun. After I did it, I was like, oh, is this too much? But I'm like, no, it's okay. It's okay to have a little bit more going on. Because I thought it was too clashy with the eyeliner, but I actually really like it, and I feel like it looks cute. So, I did tap these out a little bit. I kind of ruined some of them, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend this step. I think you can just tap them on and go. It's not like the Freck products that'll, kind of look different. But anyway. And then I'm just about to put on some lashes, so you'll probably see me do that. But the lashes that I have are from Amazon. They come in a huge pack. They're nothing super special. I think I just looked up like faux mink lashes or something like that. I don't know. So yeah, just put these on. And I just use House of Lashes lash adhesive to do so. Alright, now that my lashes are on, I am going to use my NYX brow gel, and I'm just going to do almost like this feathered brow look. So I'm just pushing them up, getting the product in there in my brows, and then I'm kind of shaping them a little bit so they don't look super crazy. So those are the brow situation. Alright, and then for lips, I think I'm going to do an orange lip. Okay, so I started out with a brown liner, and then I quickly changed my mind and decided that I wanted to do a black liner. So I just did a black eyeliner, and then I was just going to use a orange gloss over top, but I feel like the NYX gloss wasn't opaque enough, so I ended up going in with a little bit of a liquid lipstick that you'll see here in a second. I'm looking for my Jaclyn Cosmetics. I want to say this is the shade No Rules, but I don't remember. And I'm just going to apply that to my lips. And I'm going to apply a little bit more. I'm going to tap that out. And then I'm going to apply a little bit more gloss. But other than that, this is the finished and final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Bye, friends.